I'm not ready. I've taken bath and I wore my clothes. I'm waiting for my roommate to get ready as well. Haldi function has actually started, and Sampi told me to be down by 6 o'clock, and I was thinking she was kidding me, but then now I peeped out of the window. She was actually right. So I just realized Sampi means what she says. So people are already down. I can hear the music, so I think I have to go down now. Okay, Sam, I'm late by 45 minutes, so that's fine. Can you see there? People are already down, and Haldi backdrop is that side, which we can't see. Also, where are we? When I was coming to this place, I fell asleep and I don't realize where we are. Is this Bangalore? Doesn't look like. Okay, I'll check that out on maps. 6 बजे जाना था, अभी 7 बज गए हैं, लेकिन चलता है ना यार. इंडियन शादी में भी थोड़ी ना कोई सही टाइम पे जाता है. Earrings are little heavy. दिखते नहीं है लेकिन है थोड़े heavy. Look at my मेहंदी. Ride.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాడు మీ అన్న చూడు ఎంత లేట్ వచ్చాడు. ఐ హిట్ యు ఓన్లీ ఐ హిట్ క్లెయిమ్ హిమ్ టు బి యువర్ బ్రదర్. యువర్ బ్రదర్ ఇస్ లేట్.
For here. For
నాట్ నౌ ఫర్ ద గౌరీ పూజ.
for the Gauri.
yes ఫస్ట్ గెట్ బిందీస్ అండ్ వాటర్ బికాజ్ యూ నీడ్ ఇట్ రైట్. అసలు బాగుందా ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు.
చాలా బాగున్నావు. అరే సంజు, ఇప్పటికే 4 సార్లు చెప్పాను, ఇంకెంత చెప్ప.
మేకప్
Very pretty. Important person in this wedding is not the bride, it's a makeup artist.
I think the most important person for the bride is not the groom but the makeup artist.
True. Story of every bride.
You can't deny.
She's the bride's mom. She's very quick in everything actually, and she's super calm and patient, and but most importantly she does things in 2 seconds, everything. Auntie, ఎలా ఉంది మీకు?
సూపర్ 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 సూపర్.
Emotional bride. Papa say.
He's sending coffee. Relax.
This girl is vlogging in this situation. She wants to see her brides ala mode. Tikku and throw coffee on you know. Don't stop getting angry.
Coffee ni note lo posko.
All your anger is
Note lo posko anta.
I'll hit you. Hey, what is this doing?
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
No, just looking like a wow.
Thanks. We came to call bride sister because bride is really bride's lying. So yeah, we're all gonna put flowers in the bride. Oh Naman, I love your outfit. Yellow pen ka hai, so cute. So cute. Happy haldi for you. तेरा हल्दी तो मस्त चला.
Thank you. तू बच गई तेरे.
So here is my breakfast plate, and Likita is smart. She had it before. Always have breakfast, guys. Never skip it. So I have to show you how I eat dosa. Usually I like dosa like how everybody likes, but sometimes when my mom makes, I tell her to make aram dosa, and then I eat it like a taco. So yum. सही में. Should ask them. I think it's not easy on pocket for sure. So all of us are ready.
Oh, I thought it was a photo pose.
So all of us are ready, and my hand looks like this. It's not visible on the camera because I did makeup for 7 people, including me. I think I can hire. I think people can hire me as a professional personal makeup artist. She looks so pretty, especially with the nose ring on. So pretty. Naman?
Comment for hiring her.
Anju literally looks like Jasmine. The color of the sari or her makeup. So pretty, just like Jasmine. Bride wants to eat, but there's no food. Food नहीं है.
उसको खाना नहीं चाहिए, उसको कॉफी चाहिए.
कॉफी के बाद खाना चाहिए.
Makeup will start at 2:30 because I have to get ready by 5:30.
पैर तो दिखने. हाँ.
Bridesmaid on her duty.
तेरा ब्लॉगिंग कभी खत्म नहीं होता. ब्लॉगिंग इसका कभी खत्म नहीं होता.
These are the nights you will remember.
These are not nice days.
These are the days you'll remember. Someone give the bride her coffee.
Yeah.
Strong coffee.
The person recording should actually do something about it.
I actually told the guys to get it. Look at the happiness on bride's face.
Somebody feed me.
I've never been so happy in my
Please
entire
don't feed
life.
me. One kiss.
Okay. Who wants this special opportunity? हम लोग ना स्टोन पेपर सीजर खेलते हैं. जिसको भी आएगा वो खिलाएगा ब्राइड को.
इधर भैया.
Lot of dance practice. We're all here. So we're going to our room. Should take off this makeup, wear something comfortable, and then come down again. So we're editing the song so that we all can dance.
Not all.
Lunchtime. So me and Naman will be helping them with packing the return gifts. So Naman, did you understand the task assignment?
Not yet.
So okay, so I am back where I belong. On my bed. Here is Gnomes. Here is bro, are you seen? Yes. There is Likita. And we are gonna just rest for some time now. Okay, bye.